Hello everyone, this printer is HP MV4500E series. I want to show you how to connect this printer and your computer with a USB cable. This printer is currently connected via a wireless network. We're going to switch off the Wi-Fi. From the menu, scroll down to wireless. Select OK to wireless. So wireless is on. We need to select OK. Then scroll down to switch off. Select OK. Wireless turning off. So the wireless is off. Then go back. Then go to Wi-Fi direct, wireless direct. Select OK to wireless direct. Wireless direct is on. You need to select OK. We need to switch it off. Scroll down to select wireless direct off. Select OK. Configuring. So wireless direct is off. So the printer is not connected via Wi-Fi network and also not connected via wireless direct. Now we want to connect this via a USB cable. So take this part of the USB cable, go to the back of the printer. Connect it to this port, to USB port. Then take this end of the cable, connect it to the computer. Then go to the laptop's start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to look for HP MV from the list. HP MV 4500 series will show you app is installed for this printer. Select on it. The printer is idle. Print a test page. So it's now printing a test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP MV 4500 series on laptop and also port name USB 024 RAW Windows S64. So we connected this printer and laptop together via a USB cable. If you want to scan documents, open the glass scanner and put the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. Close the cover. Select scanner settings. Open scanner. So the printer is available. Then select file type. Select PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color and also resolution. We want to select 300 dpi. Save documents. Save file to documents. Then select OK. Then select scan. Document is scanning. We are doing this scanning via a USB cable connection. The printer is connected to computer via a USB cable and also the cable is on the back here. Then select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Printer is found. Want to print all and also color. More setting. Select the paper as A4, 1 page per sheet. Quality 600 dpi, fit to printable area. Then select print. Document is printing. This is the document we scanned from Windows scanners. Another way to add this printer, we're going to use HP app. So go to Microsoft Store, install HP app. Open HP app, install HP app on your computer, then open the app. This is HP app. Once the app is ready, you select plus or sign in. Once the app is ready, you can sign into your account, then select plus. Now I'm searching for the printer. The printer is found HP MV 4500 series USB 024. Then select add printer. Collecting printer statue. Then you select exit setup. This is the printer. Select on the printer. This is the printer not connected because it's connected via a USB cable. To print out a document to confirm, then select print PDFs. Then go to documents and select where you save the document or the name. Select on the document, then select print. So this is two-page document. I want us to print it two-sided. Select print on both sides, then select print. So the document is printing. This is the printer. This is the document we printed out from HP app. The printer is available. Now I want us to scan document to confirm using HP app. So open the glass scanner, put the document you want to scan face down, close the cover, then select scan from HP app. Select scan. We'll show you loading. Select advanced preset as document. We want to scan the entire area, output, color, resolution. Maximum is 1200, 300 dpi selected. Then select scan. This is the document we scanned. You can scan the second page, open the glass scanner and turn the document the other way around. Close the cover. Then select plus to add the second page. Then select scan. So these are documents we scanned using HP app. This is the first one and second one. You can save these documents by selecting save. can share it to somebody by selecting share. I want us to print it out, then select print. So the printer is selected, orientation, portrait, and A4 paper. Scroll down. I want us to print it two-sided. Select more settings. Then select orientation, portrait, duplex printing. Scroll down to select flip, long edge, 1 page per sheet, A4, plain paper, main tray. Color mode is off. Then select OK. Then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed it out two-sided. So this is how to connect this printer via a USB cable to computer, print out document, and also scan document. Thank you very much indeed. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.